So we want to talk about the creators in 2020 who have taken it to the next level. Ross, we hit some on a previous episode. Do you want to brief us there? What were the big creators on Twitch? What are they doing in 2020 that worked?
Well, number one of the things they're doing that work that we saw in 2020, which was a huge, I guess, kind of unprecedented movement on Twitch, is actually the movement away from playing video games at all. And I want to talk about this. Talking for a second, AWOL, about the opportunity that something like just chatting brings, or that we saw like AOC. She came into their Twitch ring and just blew up immediately. I mean, she was playing games, but it was more of a political stream. What does this mean for the platform in 2021? And what does this mean for people who are trying to grow? Is just chatting something that maybe you need to work into your Twitch strategy a little bit?
Yeah, so here's the stream that he's talking about, the stream in question. AOC, who's a politician, if you're not familiar, who's younger than most, played obviously Among Us and had a massive hundreds of thousands of concurrents live stream. And then she had a political message at the end of the live stream, which reached lots of young people. So you might be like, okay, that's some sort of one-off. That's not the future of streaming. Well, if we take a look at the numbers on Twitch and where everything is going right now, just chatting, we predicted about a year ago that just chatting would be the #1 category on Twitch moving forward. And as each month has progressed, just chatting has taken over a larger and larger and larger portion of the pie. I've got the numbers on the screen here. Let's take a look at them right now. Just chatting, even just recently, this is maybe in the last 7 days here, as you can see, bigger than every other game on Twitch in terms of the amount of viewers. And last week, I looked at the numbers, it had 14% of the total pie of viewership on the platform. In the last 7 days, it has 12% of the pie of viewership on the platform. And this number is probably only going to increase over time. So what does this mean for our viewers out there that are watching? This means that you need to be thinking about Twitch as a platform where you're not playing video games as your primary strategy. Maybe you're playing games on the side. Maybe playing games is just a part of what you do. But chatting with your audience and talking about something unique is the big opportunity moving forward. Are you into DIY? Talk about do-it-yourself stuff. Are you into politics? Talk about politics. Are you into cooking food? Talk about cooking food, maybe go into your kitchen. What are you an expert on? What do you love talking about outside of video games that you can share your audience? That is the huge trend that's happening in 2020, moving into 2021. What is the non-video game thing that you are into that you can talk with audiences about to have a unique strategy and to have unique value? Because guess what? Nobody gives a shit about you playing video games on your computer anymore. Perrin said it on a previous episode. The novelty of playing video games and streaming them on the screen is over, man. Nobody cares that you can play a game unless you're absolutely phenomenal at it or you're doing something completely unique with it while you're in your studio. What they may care about is your expertise, some unique ideas that you have, some sort of unique thing that you have to say about something that's happening in the world or some other area during your stream. That's the future of streaming on Twitch. And what you can do is you can take the content that you're recording here in your studio while you're streaming on Twitch, and then you can take clips of that to upload on social media, and you can take cuts of that and upload to your YouTube channel. And then what you do, you tell people to do one thing in those clips, you tell people to do one thing in those YouTube videos, and that is, if you liked this, come watch me do it live on Twitch every blibbity blop blibbity bloop day of the week. And you can think of Twitch as the place that you record your content that you're going to be releasing on social media and YouTube platforms moving forward. And just chatting is the vehicle that you can use to do that, because just chatting allows you to cover any topic that you're interested in. And viewers demand more just chatting. The numbers prove it. It's right on your fucking screen right now. Back to you, Ross.
A little bit of attitude there. I like it. A little spunk on a Wednesday morning.
Really quick, gaming creators, if you haven't already done it, enter to win our $1,100 Gaming Creator Bundle sweepstakes. There's a link in the description below if you want to check it out. But the exact sound that you hear right now, the setups we all use on our podcast, Rode is giving that away for free to you as a part of the sweepstakes. It includes this microphone, the shock mount, the boom arm, and let me just show you the package. It's freaking great. It also includes the Rodecaster Pro mixer, which makes you sound this good live. This is not even an edited video. This is the way you would sound live. Pretty great. Also, our friends at TubeBuddy threw in a TubeBuddy Legend license, help you manage that YouTube channel more effectively and grow faster on YouTube. Plus, Restream threw in a license as well, so you can stream to multiple platforms and grow even faster. We use all of this stuff every single day. Now you can get hooked up with this for free. Enter for your chance to win. Link in the description below. Entering costs $0. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. So good luck, gaming creators. I'm glad we could hook you up with this package, and I hope you win. Go do it.